BeyondSpot is a cloud-native, next-generation energy management solution for mid-size and enterprise companies that aim to digitalize their energy processes, get savings, and mitigate risks. Those risks might be, for example, climate change or increased use of renewable energy sources and other changes in the business environment. In addition to these risks, there are also, of course, opportunities. And when the business environment is changing, we can also see that you need very different types of competencies and skill sets to mitigate those risks and also grasping the opportunities. One example of this is the upcoming 15-minute balance. So that makes many of the manual processes obsolete. We want to focus on building long-lasting relationships with our customers. And we truly aim to have a customer-based solution because we believe that when you have a customer-based solution that also creates much better outcomes for mid-term and long-term. And in order to do this, we want to understand the customer's KPIs and needs and fears and try to find the best solution for you. And for doing this, we want to promote experimentation culture and also to use business design and service design methods to find that solution together with you guys. And in the long term, we want to have a constant dialogue with our customers to have also a constant development of new best practices.
The drivers behind the service are mainly the changing business environment. Electricity market is disrupting because of renewable production, and companies need to be able to tell more how they interact with their environment. So they need data for this, and there's a growing requirement for this kind of information. We are dealing with the complex issues and changing environment all the time, so solution needs to be able to adapt into this kind of environment. We need to be able to add and adjust all the time as we go along. Wapice is supporting our development. They always come up with the right kind of technology for our purpose, and they also been teaching us quite a lot about these issues. There's a lot of complexity involved, both in the business side and also in the IT side. Wapice is able to clarify at least some bits of this complexity from the technological side.
IoT-TICKET is our award-winning solution where people can build new types of application solutions that really change the world as we know it. You can combine various data sources, create big data and analytics-enabled IoT applications which work really across different industry verticals, and it's technology agnostic, so works across any cloud provider in any geographical market. And we're super proud of having UPM Energy leveraging our solution to create this kind of new application for their customers. IoT-TICKET in the energy sector is really a very powerful tool for energy companies to leverage their data, their assets. So we have a lot of different things connected, like from power plants, from power generation facilities, and we cover basically things like condition monitoring, asset optimization parts, but also integrating, for example, into the energy market. And then you can actually realize a lot of different new types of scenarios like demand response, demand elasticity, but also integration of renewable assets, optimizing the whole energy landscape. And this is actually where IoT-TICKET perfectly fits in as a solution to leverage new types of ideas to digitize and innovate.
We are putting a lot of emphasis actually on digitalization and data in UPM currently, and we have developed quite a comprehensive strategy in the last 9 months, utilizing crowdsourcing internally, almost with 100 UPMers. When we select our partners, it's mainly about credibility. It's basically assessment is done always case by case. We have to be convinced that potential partner is fit for a fight in that respect, is future-proof, is cost-effective, also fulfills our criteria when it comes to data security, and is innovative, and hopefully also something that is agnostic to, for instance, cloud solutions that can be used. So that allows us more degree of freedom than developing applications being built on this type of a data platform.